Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to set a cool live wallpaper on your Windows 11 PC. Super easy and fun. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. In the search bar, type Lively Wallpaper. You'll see the app pop up. Click it, then hit download and install. Once it's ready, open Lively Wallpaper. You'll get a sleek interface with free wallpapers to pick from. Just click one, like this jellyfish, and minimize the app. Boom, it's your live wallpaper now. Want more options? Open Chrome, search for Live Wallpaper, and visit the top site. You'll find tons of free wallpapers. Think anime, games, or abstract. I'll pick the Batman one. From the Games section, click it, hit download, and once it's saved, drag the file into Lively Wallpaper, add it, press OK, and minimize the app. There it is. Batman is now live on my desktop. That's it, guys. If you love this trick, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time. Stay cool.